Okay guys, I got the whole unit out. I told you it has 4 Torx screws holding this whole thing in, which is nice. It comes out easily. Just don't drop your screws down in the holes there. I did drop one, but I got it with my magnet. So here's the monster wire harness, and I believe that is our antenna wire there. So luckily the new system, the Dynavin, comes with this factory monster wire harness, and we should be able to plug and play a lot of this. However, I've got a lot of other wires to run. GPS, antenna, remote base adjustment switch that I want to mount in the dash, so I can do base on the fly for the kicker and things like that. I got to run the remote wire because oddly enough, the kicker came with a short, like 18-inch blue remote wire for the amp turn on, which I thought was odd. Why didn't they run that full length? I don't know. Crutchfield doesn't really know either, but anyway, that amp came, the kicker came, 10-inch kicker came, remote powered sub came from Crutchfield. But okay, so that's out. It's quick and easy. Hope that helps, and I will talk to you guys shortly. Thanks. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. You'll see other links down below for other videos in relation to this stereo upgrade. Thanks.